Bonjour everyone, so today welcome you all back to my channel. So come with me guys, and yeah, you're gonna explore a new place today.
So guys, as you know, in Europe it's really boiling here. So we've planned to go somewhere to cool ourselves. Yeah, so let me take you. Yeah. So we had to go across the street to get a bus and to get a train. Even though it was hot, there was a little bit of air.
So guys, it's boiling here literally. Yeah, il fait 30 degrés, 30 degrees.
And my mom, she did her work. Hope there aren't any cameras. Then we got the bus and we went to the railway station. We went down, up, and here we are in the railway station. And you can see a little bit of, yeah, this is how it looks like, okay? And here we are inside the train. I couldn't really take any videos because there were a lot of people. The privacy matters, guys. Yeah, then we went around a little bit and we took another train. Once again, you don't get to see my family members because privacy matters.
So hot.
Finally, I arrived to that wonderful place that I was talking about. So as you can see, it was green and was so good, but as well, it was boiling. So as I said, we went with our church members, and once we get there, we got to eat putu. Yeah, putu matters, guys. The people really couldn't bear the heat, so they all went into the water. Look at my family members. Yeah, they are all in the water. I wish I could bath. As I said, I went into the water and here am I. I came out of the water. It was so good staying in the water. So we went again to have a look, and you can see there were a lot of people. They all came here to spend their day. So here we go, a little clip of me bathing and a clip where I got hurt. And then bye guys, that's all. It was so good. Yeah, it was a wonderful day. And
If you like this video, subscribe and share. I don't know what is the order. C'est pas grave. Bon, bye guys.